Al Hilal Bank recently introduced fees, but don't worry, there is still a way to open a true zero balance account with no minimum balance. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First, download the Al Hilal app. Open the Al Hilal app, and before we get to scanning your Emirates ID, let's quickly go through the initial steps and get everything set up. Click on the Start Exploring button, enter your mobile number, verify with the OTP that will be sent to you, and then start entering your personal information. As you can see, this process is very quick and easy. We'll have our account set up in a few minutes. So agree to the terms and conditions, tap on the next button, and set a passcode that you use to access your Al Hilal app. Take a few seconds to select your interests to help Al Hilal Bank personalize your banking experience within the Al Hilal app. And again, tap on the Start Exploring button. Our next step is scanning our Emirates ID, but before we do that, you have to first verify your email address. So go ahead and tap on the Verify Email Address button, and once that is done, come back to your app and tap on the Apply Now button, which you can find at the top of your dashboard. The Open Bank Account page will be open. Simply tap on Let's Get Started, and then choose whether you want to open a current or a savings account. You should keep in mind that there is no specific salary requirement for the savings account, but you may need to maintain a minimum balance. Here is the thing, don't worry about this 2,000 minimum balance, cause there is a simple way to avoid paying this fall below fees. This known little trick will help you save money every month, and I'll show you exactly how it works in a moment. So once you choose the type of account that you want to open, agree to the terms and conditions by tapping on the checkbox, then tap on the Let's Go button. As you can see on the screen, you can open your Al Hilal Zero Balance account using your UAE Pass. Simply tap on Continue with UAE Pass to enable your UAE Pass. Share your Emirates ID with the Al Hilal app. In just a few steps, your Emirates ID will be verified. Next is scanning your passport. Tap on the Continue button and then start scanning your passport. Remember, you can scan a clear copy even if you don't have your original passport with you. So, review and verify your passport information and then tap on Confirm and Continue. You will now start providing additional information about yourself, starting with whether you have any additional nationality, the purpose of opening your account, and also your expected volume of transactions per month. Tap on the Next button, go ahead, provide your address, and again, tap on the Next button. Enter your current employment status, your company name, your monthly income, your job title, and the industry of your company. Select whether you have any additional sources of income, and before you proceed, also remember to add your office address, because if you don't add this address, you won't be able to proceed to the next step. Here, select whether you are a USA citizen, your country of birth, and your city of birth. To finalize our account opening process, we have to answer the tax declaration question. But before we submit, let me share with you how you're going to avoid paying fees for not maintaining the 2,000 minimum balance, hence making this your true zero balance account. This is an official message I received from Al Hilal Bank stating that new fees were being introduced starting in November 2024. So, to avoid those fees and keep my account a zero balance account, all I had to do is to transfer my salary to the Al Hilal Bank. You can also avoid these fees by applying for a credit card or applying for a loan using your account. The minimum balance requirement is 2,000 dirhams and the fees for fall below is 21 dirhams. Basically, If you transfer your salary of 2,000 dirhams plus to this account every month, you're good to go to start your banking journey with Al Hilal Bank without paying any monthly fees. So, finalize your account opening process by answering the tax declaration question and then submit. Follow the instructions on the screen to apply for your Al Hilal debit card. And once your account is approved within your Al Hilal banking app, get the necessary document and facilitate your side transfer. You want a zero balance account, but you don't want to transfer your salary and feel that maybe Al Hilal isn't the bank for you. The video up next will discuss a completely zero balance account that doesn't need a side transfer. You can open this account even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams.